A very good evening, everyone. Here I am presenting our paper entitled on the performance of an improved energy detector over shadow fading channel for vehicular networks. So the paper is basically focused on using the improved energy detector for the vehicular networks under the dual antenna and certain correlations like uniform correlations and exponential correlation. So here in this video, we'll just talk about the outline and how the work has been achieved. So the background and motivation consisted why the CR is important for the vehicular networks due to the limitation of the DSRC that only 6 data channels are available. So yeah, it is mandatory that we can use the CR technology for the vehicular networks for spectrum efficiency. Then timeline of existing work consists of several papers that has been using the energy detections and the common limitations of that why the ED and the squaring and how the squaring operation of the ED is replaced by the P operation. That is P is a value, the optimum value for which uh, the spectrum sensing or the detection probability must be higher, and our contribution consists of the derivation of the misdetection probability under the uniform and exponential correlation for the IED. We discuss about the network and system model and certain closed form expressions of the misdetection probability has been achieved and the numerical results. So for the short video, we just discussed that there are two type of approaches for centralized and the decentralized approach for the spectrum sensing. And here we talk about the spectrum sensing with the centralized approach that consists of the fusion center. But the main challenges are the velocity, vehicle density, channel knowledge, how the modeling of the V2V and V2I channel has been done. So due to these challenges, it is always uh, crucial to achieve the good detection probability under the mobility scenario. So this work is carried out to find the detection probability using the improved energy detector. Thank you.